Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you love odds and ends, lots of different makeup in a drawer, then you're going to love having this set of organizers from Amazing Abby. I got this primarily to help organize my lipstick. It seems like every makeup company is making them in different shapes and sizes, so having the different size compartments in this organizer makes it so I can fit all those different sizes in. I also got it to help organize my essential oils. This fits the tall rollerball bottles and the smaller size essential oil bottles perfectly so that I can see them easily and they're not rolling around where I can't find them. Not only do I use these to organize my makeup in my drawer, but it also looks fabulous on my countertop with different bits and bobs that I might have and fits a variety of different brushes and eyeshadow. I have lots of Amazing Abby products, and these acrylic makeup organizers are just as good as everything else they make. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.